Hello and welcome po sa lahat ng ating bagong seller dito sa Technoworld Creators. By the way, this is Coach Jay and I'm the head of training and development dito sa Technoworld Creators. By the way, congratulations for taking action. You are now an official member of Technoworld Creators. By the way, ano man po yung background po ninyo, if you are a tambay, an employee, a business owner, may negosyo ka, or if you are a network marketer, or isa kang insurance agent or real estate agent, I'm pretty sure na magagawa mo successfully itong program natin dito sa Technoworld Creators. If you will be asking me bakit, okay, kasi po ito pong negosyo po na pinasok natin or itong program po na pinasok po natin ay isa pong hassle-free business, right? So we are using a dropshipping business model po dito. Ibig sabihin po, you will just be focusing on selling. So ang gagawin niyo po is magbenta lang, kami yung magpapack at magdi-deliver sa lahat ng mga benta po ninyo. Wala na po kayong ibang gagawin to focus on selling, alright? And all you have to do is to basically wait for your commission to be credited on your back office sa e-wallet po natin. Alright, so ang maganda po dito ngayon, hindi nyo na po kailangan mamuhunan sa inventory po ninyo, sa logistics, sa mga kailangan nyo po sa pagpapak ng mga orders, yung mga pambalot, okay? So hindi nyo na po kailangan po yung mga yon kasi kami na po yung bahala na magpe-prepare sa lahat doon. And again, uulitin ko, sobrang ganda kasi ang gagawin ninyo, you will just be focusing on the selling perspective. Hassle-free po itong business po na pinasok natin. By the way, I would like to introduce to you our done-for-you tool here in Technoworld Creators. Meron po tayong tinatawag na dashboard. Ito po yung magsisilbing back office po ninyo. This is a centralized back office that you can manage all your transactions including the following. So nasa loob po nitong dashboard natin yung ating mga trainings, yung ating mga tools, and marketing materials. Okay, so you can browse this link, dashboard.twcako.com, and if you have with your login credentials, login nyo lamang po yun and makikita nyo po, ito po yung hitsura po ng ating dashboard. Alright, so sa dashboard po natin, meron po tayong tinatawag na eShop. This is part of our done for you tools sa ating system. Alright, so ito pong eShop natin where you can place an order kung halimbawa po meron kayong customer bibili po sa inyo nung ating mga produkto like the watches, the bag, and other health and wellness products na meron po tayo. So ang gagawin nyo lamang po, ipi-place nyo lamang po yan dun sa eShop natin. And once na-place nyo po yan dun sa eShop natin, then our fulfillment team or our operations will do the other things. And basically, gagawin mo lang, mag-place ka lang talaga ng order dito. And aside from that, we have also this media library. Okay, part pa rin po ito ng Done For You tool provided by Technoworld Creators. Itong media library naman po, this is a library where you can get all the marketing materials, marketing collaterals na siyang gagamitin mo to promote our products. So hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-aral ng Photoshop or Canva or graphic design just to create a good marketing materials kasi provided na po yan ng team natin or ng community natin. So basically, ang gagawin nyo na lamang po is i-download na lamang po ito. Actually, provided may mga description din po na ikakopy nyo na lang. Okay? Anyway, we have an in-depth training about this, how to use our media library. Okay? Dun po sa ating new sellers orientation. Now, as part of that, meron din po tayong tinatawag na chat robot. Ito pong chat robot ay kasama din po dun sa Done For You tools na provided ng Technoworld Creators. This system will help you handle all your customers' inquiries. Ibig sabihin po, later on, magpo-promote na kayo. Okay? You will start posting on your social media accounts and meron po kayong link doon or yung tinatawag natin na DFY link, okay? So yung DFY link nyo na yan, if somebody will click on that or opt into that link, okay, mariredirect po sila dun sa chatbot natin and yung chatbot, alam niya na ikaw po yung nakakuha ng customer na yon. And pag nag-order, mayroon na din pong mga processes doon. May logic na din po doon sa loob na kung saan, halimbawa lang, nag-place ng order yung customer, automatic na po yan, ipaprocess na lang ng ating operations. Anyway, makikita nyo na din naman po yan doon sa back office natin. Alright? So, ganun po ka-powerful yung ating chatbot. And yung chatbot po natin, siyang magpa-follow up sa mga customers ninyo. Halimbawa, kung mayroon kayong mga inquiries, initial inquiries, ganun po ka-powerful po yung chatbot po natin. And as part of that, we will be also providing you your own product funnels, no? Meron po tayong mga product funnels dito sa TWC. So these product funnels will help you promote our products, our health and specifically our health and wellness products. Kasi kung halimbawa meron kayong mga customer will be asking about the products, ano yung mga benefits. So mahirap po na kung halimbawa kayo yung mag-explain. So basically meron tayong replicated website. Just simply copy this replicated website and send it to them. And all the necessary information about the products that you are selling is already on the website. Okay, ganun po kaganda po yung ating sistema dito sa TWC. So by the way, pakita ko na lang din po sa inyo ano po ba yung mga produkto na ibebenta natin. So we have here bags, watches, No, we have here health and wellness products, no? So ito po yung mga produkto na ibebenta natin at ang kagandahan po dito po, kung magbebenta kayo is cash on delivery po yung ating mode of payment. So ibig sabihin, hindi nyo po kailangan mamblema kung halimbawa skeptical yung mga customer ninyo na bumili or magbayad kaagad. Sabihin nyo, maganda po ito kasi cash on delivery naman yung ating mode of payment. Okay? So as of now, cash on delivery tayo. Pero later on, we will be developing our back end sa ating payment gateway. We will be also having a prepaid. For now, cash on delivery po yung ating sistema sa ating mode of payment sa ating pagdi-deliver ng ating mga produkto. Alright? So, sa profit sharing naman po, every time you sold products or you sell products, meron kang 20% profit from the product you sold. Okay? So, yan po yung kikitain nyo every time na meron kayong benta. Now, we will talk about the support system here. Ano naman po yung support system na ginawa natin para po sa inyo. Whatever your concern is, the first person you need to contact is your sponsor. So, nung nag-join po kayo dito sa Technoworld Creators, meron po kayong sponsor. So, yung sponsor po ninyo, siya po yung responsible on handling all your queries or lahat po ng mga concerns ninyo. Now, if ever your sponsor is not around, okay, meron din naman po tayong mga GC or group chat. You can ask questions on your respective group chat na lamang po. So, yun po yung ating protocol sa ating support system dito sa Technoworld Creators. Now, we will discuss the compliance and best practices here as a new seller. I would like to inform you, especially etong number 1, tandaan nyo po ito, is to attend the first 3-day Ecom Bootcamp training po natin. Very important po ito na attenan nyo itong 3-day Ecom Bootcamp na ito. I will show you where to find itong bootcamp na to. So, punta po tayo doon sa dashboard natin sa Technoworld Creators. And from here, you will see meron po tayo ditong TWC University. Under TWC University, you will see here TWC Bootcamp. Alright? So, meron po tayo ditong day 1, day 2, and day 3. So, makikita nyo po dito, day 1 is every Monday, day 2 will be every Wednesday, and day 3 is every Thursday po yan. So, itong training na ito is every 7 p.m. yung live. Anyway, anytime po, pwede nyo naman panoorin yung replay. And this is very essential that you need to complete this 3-day Ecom Bootcamp. Kasi po, pag hindi nyo po mapapanood or makomplete itong 3-day Ecom Bootcamp, you will not gain access po sa mga advanced training courses natin dito sa TWC, especially dito sa Sellers Masterclass. We have training here like the page setup for selling, the ManyChat, so hindi nyo po ma-access itong mga training na ito. So very important po na tapusin nyo po yung ating Ecom Bootcamp. Anyway, your sponsor will be reminding you, our page in Technoworld Creators will be also reminding you about these trainings. So very important na mag-attend po kayo every time na may training po tayo. Dapat po, kompletuhin nyo po yung 3-day Ecom Bootcamp natin. Now, after that, if you will complete the 3-day Ecom Bootcamp, you need to watch also our full Sellers Masterclass, yung pinakita ko po kanina, and the systems training, yung TWC systems training po natin that you can find under TWC University menu din po. Alright? So, training goal natin, you need to learn before you earn. Ganun naman po talaga sa negosyo. Okay? So, ito pong pinasok po natin. This is a real business. Hindi po ito yung fly-by-night business na nakikita po natin kung saan-saan. Now, if you do this long-term, this will enable you to earn more and more over time. Ito po yung kagandahan po dito sa pinasok po natin na program. Okay, so do not take time in completing the courses para ma-start agad yung business mo. Ang advice ko sa iyo, after completing the organic marketing training or the Ecom Bootcamp day 1, actually you can start immediately selling dito sa negosyo natin while you are learning the business. Alright, so yun po yung advice ko sa inyo. So yun po yung training goal natin. Now, after that, what will be your next activity after all completing all the trainings? So, eto nga, breakdown ko na lang. Okay, to complete the 3-day Ecom Bootcamp, do organic selling, alright? So, watch the TWC Sellers Masterclass, familiarize the TWC dashboard, okay? And do the business activities and be consistent, alright? So, very important, you need to think long-term and do not stop until you succeed. Ganun naman po talaga sa negosyo. Actually guys, kailangan talaga po natin itong trabahuin, alright? So, kailangan po natin ito i-work out, no? And you need to invest for yourself for the learnings and knowledge in order for you to become effective in performing this program na pinasok po natin. Congratulations! You are now ready to sell. So, yun lamang po yung ating pre-onboarding video. So, I hope na nagkaroon po kayo ng overview po dito sa ating program dito sa TWC. Now, if you have questions and clarifications, don't forget to contact your sponsor. See you on our next video.